So today we have this new Aston Martin V8 Vantage. It's a 2018 car, so being the latest model, has a Mercedes AMG GT GTS running gear, so the 4-litre twin-turbo V8. This car's in with us today for the QUICKSILVER secondary cap deletes and QUICKSILVER rear section with carbon fibre tips. Absolutely stunning car in this lime green colour, really high spec car as well. So yeah, we'll get some clips, we'll show the car, the stock exhaust, and then with the aftermarket QUICKSILVER exhaust, we'll show the whole process. So yeah, enjoy. So the factory Aston Martin exhaust is now off the car. You can see laid down there with the replacement QUICKSILVER system. So this car didn't come with a factory sport exhaust, so it only had 2 outlets. The QUICKSILVER fitting has 4 tips, so we're changing the rear grills as well over to the factory Aston Martin sport exhaust grills to allow for the 4 outlets as well. So we're all finished up now on this Aston Martin V8 Vantage. So this was in for the QUICKSILVER secondary cap deletes, QUICKSILVER rear section with quad carbon tips. So by doing this we had to replace the rear grills because, as we said earlier, this car did not have the sport exhaust. So direct from Aston Martin grills for the sport exhaust. All on, finished off with the carbon fibre QUICKSILVER exhaust pipes. Tailpipe, sorry, which look absolutely excellent, finishes the car off really nicely, sounds great. So yeah, this will be going back to the customer now and he'll be very happy with it.